Today we're going to be making Rice Krispie treats. First you're going to need some Rice Krispie cereal. Not to be confused with white rice, purple rice, sushi rice, black rice, or even potatoes. I'm going to use 3 different flavors so everyone gets the flavor they want. For this recipe I'm going to test out my new pot. My friends kept telling me I should try some. They said it helps calm the nerves. So we're just going to see how it goes. Karen! Thanks. Some butter? Wow. About 373 mini marshmallows. Let them roast. Some Magic's fairy dust. Make the marshmallows mad. Some yum yum sauce. Season with some cereal. I'm gonna use cinnamon, blueberry, and chocolate because, yeah, that's what I got. Stir them up. You should have something that looks like this. Next, we're gonna melt our chocolate. Prescribe 2 doses for 20 seconds of radiation. That's just what the instructions said to do. Stir them up and do it again. Give it a fancy drizzle. Taste test. It's good.